Welcome to the Hard Research channel. Today I'll show you how to disable Google Assistant on the AGM H6. So first let's open Settings. And in Settings scroll all the way down to the Google section. Here click on All Services. And here we're looking for Google Assistant, Search Assistant and Voice. Right here. Now press on Google Assistant. Search for the General tab. And here's a toggle to turn it off. Confirm your action. And let's see. As you can see, it's turned off. It prompts you to turn on. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Research channel for videos. Leave a like and a comment. And goodbye.